Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will continue with the important questions in general anatomy, and today we will cover neuroanatomy. So first we will begin with LAQs. First LAQ is on facial nerve. The subpoints asked are functional components, course and relations, branches and distribution, and applied aspect. Doing applied aspect is very important in this. Then second is mandibular nerve. Both facial nerve and mandibular nerve are frequently asked LAQs. In mandibular nerve, the subpoints are extracranial course, distribution and branches, and why it is called as a dental nerve. You need to give reason for that. The third important LAQ is maxillary nerve, then hypoglossal nerve, glossopharyngeal nerve with the subpoints origin, course, relation, and applied anatomy. Then the sixth and the last, the most important LAQ from neuroanat is enumerate parts of brain. You need to do detail about the sulci gyri, functional areas, especially the supralateral surface of cerebral hemisphere. This is all about LAQs. You need to do diagrams of all the LAQs, especially the functional area of brain and the course of the nerves. Moving on to SAQ, the frequently asked SAQs are otic ganglion, frontal lobe, brain stem, midbrain, floor of the fourth ventricle. Its diagram is also very important and it is most frequently asked SAQ. Then cranial nerve, nuclei in the fourth ventricle, internal capsule, parts and tracts passing through it. This is also frequently asked SAQ. Section of spinal cord showing ascending and descending tracts. This is also important SAQ. Then define and enumerate commissural fibers of brain, nuclei of cerebellum, nuclei of trigeminal nerve with its location. Then name 4 tracts passing through inferior cerebral peduncle, circle of Willis. This is very important SAQ which can be asked in exam. Corpus callosum, this is also important SAQ which can be asked in exam. What is lumbar puncture? Commonest level where it is done, and 2 indications about this. This is very important for both theory and practical aspect. Then white matter of cerebrum, 3 fibers, that is association, commissural and projection fibers. All of this you need to do in detail, and the important SAQs, don't forget to do this SAQs as this is commonly asked in exam. So these are the SAQs and these are the LAQs which are commonly asked in neuroanatomy exam. I hope this video was helpful. Do subscribe my channel and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.